So here we are. Welcome to the Pizza Inn. All the food. What do you think about where we're eating?
I think the view is really nice out here, look.
Should we look? And here's the view. Oh.
Nice.
It is nice. We just had a storm in the area, so we were a little concerned about the view. But looks like we're good to go. The view's nice, huh? It's really nice. So here's what we're thinking. All the mountains.
See,
What do you think, babe?
I think I see Rocky Knob.
Oh, we're getting seated.